Hello, this is Jason. I'm here with Exhibitrix at the Placer County Museum to talk about something we like to call ghost stands. All right, now if you're thinking we just called them ghost stands to get more clicks on the internet, you're 100% right. So the exhibit we're gonna look at is called the Communities Exhibit. You can see right here, we've got a great assortment of artifacts. Now the goal with this exhibit is to make all these artifacts look really, really special, because they are. This calling card holder from 1860 is such a great example of a ghost stand, because as you can see, it looks like it's floating. That's pretty cool. So let's go back to the shop and I'll show you the trick behind making your artifacts float. All right, here we are in the shop. I'm gonna show you how to knock out one of these ghost stands pretty darn quick. We're gonna use round stock. Now this is steel that you can get at the hardware store. And I also have a tap and die here. So we're gonna turn this steel bar into a giant bolt. So to use round stock, you need a vise, or I think I've done it with 3 pairs of vise grips before and it's a total nightmare. So you put your round stock in the vise, and then we're gonna thread it with this and a little bit of 3-in-1 oil. Seems to make the job go a little easier. So now we're gonna make a little sandwich with this bolt and a piece of wood. Pretend this is the bottom floor of your exhibit. You just need to put this through a washer, through the board, and then reverse it on the other side. Washer, nut. Now, we've got a wire stand. If you crank these down, it gets very, very tight. Now, what do we do with this? We can't really stand anything on it. So let's make a stand for a bolt of string here. So we need to make a topper. I've got a solution, it's called foam core and lots of hot glue. So, I'm just gonna cut this out of foam core real quick. That's a nice ring. So basically, we're just gonna hot glue this, and we're gonna make a blob of hot glue. Now that it's dry, we can put our fishing line on it, and it's kind of crummy. Okay, hold on. Here, get a little light here. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. It looks so important. It's Abraham Lincoln's fishing string, probably, huh? Thanks for joining us for the second episode here at the Placer County Museum. It takes up the whole first floor of this historic courthouse here. Be sure to stop by if you're in town. It's an amazing museum. Thanks for coming. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And see you next time.